Mini on a Sprinter, thief's got the key, tries to steal it, it's not going to start up. Just going to swipe, but not start. For the customer, foot off the brake, double tap to get all your lights on, then we'll do the code, 1, 2, 3, 4, flash from the side lights. Now foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle, starts up and runs. If they want to take it for a service, the way they do that is ignition on, put the code in, hold on the last button, 10 to 15 seconds. You see the side lights flash 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Now it's a normal vehicle, so when it goes back it's going to start without a code. When you get it back, same again, press and hold. This time you get 1 flash. There we go, it's now turned back on. As you see, it's not going to start, it's looking for the code, so foot off the brake, double tap, code, wait for our flash, and now we can start.